In this video, we're going to be looking at one prompt in 20 different art mediums, and the prompt is a majestic eagle. First up is a metal album cover. Number 1 is pretty cool, number 3 is quite beautiful, but I think I like number 4 the best, with the halo. Next up, we have glitch art. Check out number 1. Look how cool that looks. Great colors in number 4 as well. Here is a watercolor painting. Number 4 is pretty amazing. And I like the minimalism in number 2. Here is concept art of a majestic eagle. Not quite sure what I was looking for, but I'll take number 4. I think that's a good picture. Here's a crayon drawing. And you know, not quite what I had in mind, but still not bad. Number 3 is pretty cool. I don't know what number we're on, but here's a sketch of a majestic eagle. Number 1's looking kind of dragony. Number 2 is great though. Here's an anime drawing. Look at number 4. Wow, that's cool. Great pick. I wasn't sure what it was going to make, but here's a blueprint. I think I like number 3. That's pretty good. Here's a Pixar design. Number 2. Love the eye. 3 is pretty good too. Here's a Disney drawing of a majestic eagle. Shout out to number 4. Look at that emotion in the eye. And it's even got a little Disney signature at the bottom. Here's a manga drawing of a majestic eagle. I like number 4 a lot. Hey, look at these. Here's a Lego figure. Okay, I like number 1. Number 2 might be my favorite, but I really like number 3 and 4. This might be my favorite generation of them all so far. Next, we have a wood carving of a majestic eagle. Shout out to number 1, and number 4 is pretty good too. Which one's your favorite? Here's a stone carving. I like the depth in number 4. Number 2 is probably the best though. Number 1's got a little wonky beak. Wow, how about this? A bronze statue. It's even got the oxidization in number 3. That's some Statue of Liberty stuff right there. Number 1 is pretty great. And like, check out the lighting and the shadow. It really looks like it's in a museum. Here is pixel art of a majestic eagle. I think they're all decent, but number 3 really looks like it's from a video game. I like the background. Here's another one I wasn't sure what it was going to do with, but here's a Renaissance painting. Number 1 doesn't really look like an eagle, but I like it. Number 2 is kind of biblically. Number 2 looks like it's from the Bible, and I love the colors in 3 and 4. Here's a child's drawing of a majestic eagle. Number 2 is way too good. Number 1 is actually perfect. I love that so much. Thank you, Midjourney. Alright, we're almost done. Here's an Unreal Engine render of a majestic eagle. I'm not quite sure what I was hoping for. I really like the reflections in number 2, and I like the pose in number 4 and whatever this light is. I think it's really cool. Here's an Octane render of a majestic eagle. Love the lighting in number 4 and in number 2. Again, I wasn't really sure what it was going to come up with. I guess these engines do a really good job with lighting. And lastly, we have an Impressionist drawing of a majestic eagle. Number 1 doesn't really look like an eagle. I think 3 and 4 are great. Awesome stuff. Let me know in the comments which one was your favorite, and let me know in the comments your suggestion for a prompt I can use next time. If you like this video, subscribe and check out some other experiments I've done. Hope you're doing well, take care, and I'll see you next time.